Okay. Hi. We have decided to take the Quinny out. And... oh, wait. I'm still trying to put my glove on. Wait, turn around again. Turn around again. Hi, Quinn. This is Quinny. She's very puffy-tailed because she does not like when we have all our jackets and we put her in a harness. This is the snow, Quinn.
It's okay.
Yeah. I'll cut all of it out. Here's the snow. It's tall, quite thick. Let's see. I think I would sink. Oh, yep. There we go. I'm also not wearing snow boots. I'm wearing Timbs. So also I have matching black Timbs. So it's not super hard. You can see some animals that went all up in here. What do you think? You wanna try? How are you doing?
Good. Yeah.
You wanna try putting her down?
I could try, but I'm afraid it's like gonna be cold on her paws.
True. Have her sniff it.
She
Wait.
sniffed what was on the car.
Okay.
Yeah. I know. We need to get you some snow gear, so we'll only be out for a few minutes. Yeah.
Travel Cat sponsor us. Quinny every morning always like looks out the door and sniffs. So we wanted to take her out, but it is quite cold and like Noah said, you want to protect her.
How is it? What do you think?
Oh, there she goes. Okay, Quinn. That was 3 minutes outdoors with Quinn before she ran away. It's okay, buds.
She did not like snow. She really hated it, and that's understandable. We'll still try to get her some booties and some snow gear one day so we can retry, but we put her back inside. Now we're back out. Oh. Thanks. Oh. Are you sinking?
Yeah.
Oh no. Yeah. I was hoping it would be a little hard so we could like walk across it. Oh. Maybe? No. Oh. We should try to get the sleds maybe, but then we'd have to walk back up. Oh jeez.
I think we tried. Look at Quinny.
I don't know if you guys can see it. Wait, can I zoom in on this?
I don't know.
Chat, how do I zoom in? I don't know if you can see, but Quinny is in the window staring out at us. Oh. What's that noise?
I don't know. Nature?
Yeah, I feel like if we got a sled or something, maybe we could go across the surface, use it.
You think we wouldn't?
But
we
we'd
wouldn't
still,
sink down?
yeah, we'd probably still sink. Are you okay? You need some help? Also, Camden. Camden does not have any snow pants, so I'm a little scared. Oh. I gotta get you some snow
You
pants.
see my boots?
Oh my god, this is why I told you to tuck in your pants. Okay.
You try, you try. Okay, Nasa's turn.
I'm also in Tim's, like it's not really my snow boots, so.
Yeah!
It's so deep.
Right?
Trying to walk back in my footsteps.
Yeah!
Woohoo.
We've conquered the outdoors. That was kind of like anticlimactic and a little sad.
I mean, it's nice that it's fluffy, but not nice for us trying to walk on it.
Agreed.
Oh, look at the little, like, what are they, birds?
Oh wait, there's some over here. Just look at that porch. I think if we went for like a walk in the snow, it would be nice. But one of us definitely has to be more equipped to handle the snow.
Oh, don't fall. I believe in you.
Oh, can you pull off my other shoe?
What?
Can you pull off my other shoe?
Oh, yeah. Oh. They're full of snow.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, Queen. We have a very vocal kitten. Yeah, Queen. What do you have to say? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Miss Flaps. We love our floppy kitten. Yeah.
So we're back inside. That was fun, but definitely not, I feel like, what we envisioned. Again, like Nas was saying, I think we thought it'd be harder. A little bit more like you can walk on, a little bit more frozen. This one you just kind of like ultimately sunk. For the rest of the day, I think we're just gonna chill here, hang out. Nas and I kind of been craving some nachos. So we might venture out into the world and get some.
Whoa. Yeah, that's about it. Just spend time with Quinny. Get some nachos. That's about it. Relax, reset for the day as much as we can. Maybe grab some of our air dried laundry because the dryer's still broken.
Oh yeah.
Maybe I'll try to run another load, but we'll see.
Our dryer specifically is broken. Honestly, to be fair, our washer doesn't sound too hot either. But it's broken. The guys came, we bought a new one, and the guys came to install it. And when they were here, it didn't have a steam hookup. So he was like, I can put it in, but then you can't run your washer or turn the water back on until you remove the steam hookup on the washer, because that also has one apparently. And I was like, and he's like, I can't do it because I wasn't the person who installed it. And I was like, so you're gonna leave me with something to do? And then I was also like, I've never done this before. I know you're telling me how to do it, but I feel like it's probably in my brain. I didn't really try, but I was like, this might be harder than what he's saying. And then we have one of those like our washer and dryer is kind of like tucked away in like there's like a countertop on top of it and like sides, so it kind of like pushes in underneath that, like you can see it, but there's like a countertop over it. And I don't know how the people who originally installed that did it, because it's like, it seems like it's like drilled to the wall or something. So I have to take a very small screwdriver or something and take off the countertop, because the plug that the dryer goes to doesn't fit through the cutout that they left for the plugs. So that'll be fine, either that. Because on the old one, they could just cut it, I feel like, theoretically. I don't know. And, or we could try and look for one that has a smaller hookup thing, cord. But yeah, like Nos was saying, we're just running laundry. We're running the washer, and then we're just air drying literally everything. And Nos's towel came out so dry and like, I don't even, how would you explain it? Come here.
Oh, it's stiff. Like, I don't know. It's like if you threw a towel out into the winter cold and it just like, or like, you know, those pants where people are like, my pants are standing up on their own. Like, that's how my towel is. I put it on the towel like warming rack and I put on the fan hoping it'll, you know, dry quicker. It feels really weird. So what can we do? But I haven't checked on the clothes downstairs, so that'll be a later thing today. Oh, shake it, Dad. Yes, Queen. What? Okay, we are off to get some nachos.
Yay!
I guess I've showed this before, but I convinced Camden to get this adorable little Spider-Man crocheted, like, hanging thing. And he's just there.
I really like him.
Yes. Here we go.
Let's do the sloppy nachos.
The nachos.
With our sides.
Can't forget about the Hari.
Okay, so we just finally got our nachos. They were not what I was expecting.
They're kind of mid, but it's okay.
Yeah. It's like the flavors all together were really good, but then like sometimes one chip would only have like the beans. I don't know. They were kind of soggy. You? They just weren't what I was expecting. I feel like I definitely built it up in my head.
Yeah, no, I mean, nachos are kind of inherently, like, you know, they're gonna get all soggy with time, but it's like they came out and they're already soggy.
Yeah.
I think part of the problem was that it was really oily.
Yeah.
But, you know, it was still nachos. There were some good parts. They were okay. We've eaten there before, and I remember it was okay. So, it's alright. They're very sweet there, but yeah, the nachos could have been a little bit better, I feel.
Yeah. 100%. I agree with that. Very oily. Also, like, covered in cheese. Oh my gosh, it's frigid.
Okay, y'all, now we're off to go to the grocery store. We're just gonna pick up a few things. I forget what we need already. We said bread? Oh, you wanted spicy noodles?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Heavy whipping cream?
Yeah.
Is there anything else?
Do you want goldfish or anything?
Yes, you said you wanted goldfish. We'll get that. Is that good? I feel like there's something else.
Do they like chocolate or dessert?
Yeah, we can get some chocolate. I think that's about it.
Yeah, not too much because
Oh, no.
we got a baby at home.
We do. We have to run back to our Quinn. But thankfully we did eat, so hopefully we don't hungry shop.
Yeah.
So that'll help. Yeah. So
We are here.
go.
Parking is always kind of chaotic here. And this giant snow bank
Yeah, there is a pretty big snow
doesn't
bank.
help.
We're here at Big Y.
Yeah.
Big Y really takes me back to living in Worcester because that was the closest grocery store when we were in college. So I'm like, oh, Big Y.
Special place in our heart. Am I between the lines?
Yeah. So here we go. Yeah. That's what we get. It just has the K-pop collab, I guess.
Whoa.
Okay. See you.
Should I get one or two?
I say two.
Are you gonna have any?
No, I'm good. Anything else you need?
No.
Do you want to get a marble trick?
They can, like, they're hard to open. I
They
feel.
can be, yeah.
Like pressing down the marble.
But they're so yummy.
Do you want one?
I think I'm good. Up to you, though.
Okay.
Is there anything else we need?
I think, no, we just a whipping cream and then we're done.
Oh, yeah.
Fine.
Okay, I think we're good.
Do you care? I just don't have a preference.
And heavy whipping cream.
Sorry.
Okay. No. Please continue.
I'm just saying what I said couldn't come off as rude, so I just meant that I do care. I just don't have a preference over heavy or not.
To continue. Please scan your Big Y savings card or continue. Use PIN pad to complete the transaction.
And we did not bring a bag because we always forget.
Information needed.
And we're done.
Thank you for shopping.
Okay, y'all. I moved it around and we finally got it going. So hopefully in a little bit I'll be able to put a bigger log on. But just wanted to show an update. I do struggle to start it, but eventually it gets there once I just move it around for a bit. Oh, look at her go. And soon she's gonna be all cuddled up. She loves the fire. So we'll set up a little lap for her, get in our jammies after we shower, and we'll be all comfy cozy.
Sweetheart Pop is the flavor white chocolate strawberry. Girl, wait, hold on, that sounds really good. I think I'm gonna grab it. Can I only get a massive box of that shit with 24 bags in it? I think so. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Perpetually single but wanna mingle.
Hi, we're back. We just finished Twinless. Quinny is on her bed. I hope I successfully showed that because I didn't look. Her, I should say. Nas's tablet is gonna die. It's on like, what is it on? It's on like 13%. Okay, hold this. I'll go plug it in.
Okay. My hair is a mess. Because I put it up for sitting on the couch.
Do you want me to get your wallet?
Yes, please. Oh, it's looking rough. Sorry. Oh! That's why I can't do anything with my hair. Because then it does this. I can't win. Yeah. I need my bonnet. I know they say not to put it down like this, but I'm gonna.